Okay, we are at Blackrock Knob. We're gonna actually hike to the pinnacle from here.
Yes.
And there's a couple of knobs on the way and a couple of waterfalls that are kind of off trail, but they don't look like they're too far off trail that we're gonna try to find.
That's a hit or miss with us. We try, sometimes it fails.
There's two though, so maybe even if we just find one.
Yeah.
Also, it's really cold.
Yeah, really cold.
Maybe 20 degrees.
Yeah, probably about 20 degrees. But the wind isn't blowing and the sun is out, so that does help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But also it's November, so the days are getting a lot shorter, so.
Yeah.
And we think this is, it's about 12 miles if we go do the waterfalls also. So
yeah,
hopefully we finish before dark.
Oh. We did bring our hiking poles,
yeah,
so hopefully that's gonna make us faster.
Yeah, I don't think there's a whole lot of elevation gain, so maybe it won't be too bad, but we are going to be at like 6,000 feet at our highest point.
The trail is hard too.
Yes, yes it is.
Yes.
But it's a beautiful day. All right, here is the Yellowface trailhead.
Here we go.
Into the woods. Into the dark, cold woods.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, there it is. Oh, the pinnacle 5.4. Here is another open spot. Wow, this is pretty. There's a golf course down there. I don't know if you can see it. Kind of cool.
Which one is that one?
I have no idea. This is really steep right here. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's like not straight up, but
yeah, but it's just a little bit.
It's kicking our butts already, and we've not even gotten to the first overlook that we're trying to hit. But we're warming up, so that's good. Yeah, so this is a little steep, so I'm not gonna go too far, but these icicles are pretty cool. Shows how cold it is. All right, we made it to Yellowface. That was a butt kicker. This is Yellowface. Views, not so great. Stand up on this rock. Yeah, there was definitely better views from just some of the little overlooks. These, well, as tall as Jess, so we can't really see over them. All right, we just came to a really cool part in the trail. Kind of hard to see it, but there's lots of like,
wow, this is really cool.
Big rock boulders, and the trail just kind of like winds between them.
Yeah, this is really neat.
This is cool. Really steep. But yeah, this is really cool. The kids would like this. I might have to bring Liam back.
Yeah, it's really well marked, like the yellow and the purple together.
Yeah, and the trail is pretty clear most places.
Oh, we have been on trails where you cannot tell it's a trail.
Yeah. Oh, this is cool. Look at this rock. It looks like it's balanced on this other rock. That's kind of cool. And then there's icicles on it. Oh, this is neat. I like this a lot. This is really cool. We could just hang out here.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah, it looks a little scary.
It looks like it's just balanced.
Right?
And like if the wind blew hard enough.
Hurt.
Oh, it wouldn't. You'd be dead.
Like real fast.
This one looks like it could fall too. Look how sideways it is. Oh, these are so cool though.
Oh. Yeah.
This trail has kicked our butts a little so far. But it's so cool.
slid on the stick.
There was a chunk of ice back there. I wonder if that could have been it.
Oh, maybe.
Icicles.
Just slipped on ice.
These icicles aren't
Hmm.
scary.
It's a little bit harder with.
Poles, yeah.
It is harder with poles.
This trail is a little technical, parts of it, for sure.
Yeah.
So cool.
Okay, there's the trail marking right there.
I think maybe we have to climb.
We might have to. I don't know if you can see how steep it is, but it's straight up. Hiking poles are not going to help us.
No, we're definitely gonna need our hands.
Yeah. Okay.
Hopefully it is, but we'll have to climb back down it.
Okay. Let's turn it off. Wait, I can barely see you.
I don't know how this is even a trail. It's like literally mountain climbing.
Yeah, definitely have to carry up your hiking poles.
Yeah, don't serve much purpose in that.
It is cool.
We think we might have made it
Whoa.
to Blackrock.
Cool.
Did we make it?
We made it. Put down your hiking poles.
Whoa! Oh my gosh!
There's a fire up here.
This is amazing. Oh my word.
I almost can still smell it. I wonder if it was the dog bowl.
All right, let's do it.
The panoramic.
Whoa. This is amazing.
Yeah. I wonder if they sat here and watched the sunset and had a fire. Or sunrise, sorry. That would be pretty cool.
Yeah, because this is east. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so cool. I love when stuff is better than you expect it to be. There's the Parkway. I think that's the Parkway right there. So we've just hiked along these ridges. So cool. This is probably the hardest part of the trail so far. We just left the Blackrock.
Okay.
Yeah, we had to throw our hiking poles down and then kind of slide down this rock.
All right, we did it.
Yeah, we did it. This is a really cool tree. We didn't really want to leave Blackrock because it was the sun. The sun felt so nice and the views were so amazing. But we're gonna go see if we can at least find one waterfall.
Yeah, we're probably gonna have to come back to complete this whole thing.
Yeah, I don't think we were thinking that the trail would be quite as technical as it's been. So we're going about 1 mile an hour, I think.
And we are not walking this thing in the dark.
Yeah. Coming up on a really cool looking rock right here. Oh, it's really big.
Oh.
Oh, nice. That's cool. I think the trail goes down that way. But this is really cool. I mean, not up, but like right across the top. Look at that. That's so cool. Of course, in real life, it looks way huger.
It is way huger.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Really cool. Oh, look, the icicle's falling. You gotta watch out.
This is so cool. Oh wow, that's kind of a cool little picture. The little tree, the ice, all that little stuff.
Yeah, so cute. It's dripping though. That's a good sign.
Yeah.
Maybe it's
a little above freezing.
It's finally above freezing. Barely.
Oh. You hear the ground crunching of the ice.
So we've been walking down this very steep leaf-covered trail. Slippery. And then we stopped and decided to check where we were. And we're not even on the trail anymore.
We don't know what happened.
Yeah, I don't know how we lost the trail, but it looks like we're like right in the middle of two trails. But this is a trail, but it's terrible. So we stopped because we're like, we don't really want to keep going and then have to go back up this again because we don't think we're going to have enough time to do what we were hoping. Because this trail has been a lot harder than we had thought it would be. So I guess we'll head back that way.
See if we can hook
Pick the trail up again, and then we may just go back and sit on Blackrock for a bit.
That sounds amazing.
And
eat Reese.
There you go. Because you can actually come in from Silva and do the pinnacle and the two waterfalls. So we might actually just do that instead, because this, well, for one thing, we're not on the trail apparently, and it is just, it's really steep and like it's so thick with leaves that it's slippery.
Yeah, we're really glad for our hiking poles right now, but even they are slipping a little bit.
Yeah. So we're just gonna, I think, go back to the rock.
Thumbs up.
Yeah. I mean, this has been a fun hike though.
Yeah, I loved it.
Just maybe we'll wrap up on the rock.
Yeah.
All right, we thought we might try to see if we can kind of climb somewhere on this rock.
Thinking maybe this way. Is that what you were thinking?
Maybe I'll just film you climb the rock. Remember, if you get up, you got to get down too, so
That's true.
keep that in mind. Get back down, remember.
You can do it.
I think I'll just give you the GoPro.
All right. Whoa, cool. Whoa. Cool.
All right, we're gonna wrap up here because the trail's too narrow, so we're sitting on a rock.
Yes.
This pretty overlook. Well, we did probably half of what we wanted today, but it just was more butt kicking than we anticipated. And then when we lost the trail at one time, it was just kind of like,
Disheartening.
let's just turn around.
We're like literally in the middle of the wilderness.
But we still had a nice overlook, just no waterfalls today.
Yeah, it was actually a really fun trail. Rock climbing and
Yeah, it was
just
really
the cool trail with all the pine trees.
It's a hard
and rocks.
trail, but it's fun.
Yeah.
It's definitely very, like, there's a lot of different stuff to see.
Mm-hmm.
The terrain is different, and
Yeah, you'll want to take a lot of pictures. It's really pretty.
so after all this, probably when we get back to the car, it'll probably be only close to like maybe 5 miles,
yeah.
maybe even a little bit more than 5. But
Not too bad.
it was fun, and it's actually turned out to be a gorgeous day. It's chilly, but
Yeah, but when you're in the sun and you're hiking, it's actually fun.
and we've shed one layer, so we're good.
Yeah.
Like, we didn't even have to stay bundled up. But yeah, this one's really fun. We'll come back probably. We've actually seen a couple people on it too, surprisingly. Usually trails like this, people don't.
Yeah, and almost got attacked by a dog.
Yeah, people, please keep your dogs on a leash.
Yeah, it's
I don't
really
care
not
if
cool.
you think they're friendly. He seriously barked and ran at us. And if we hadn't had our poles put up in front of us, he would have jumped up on us. And who knows if he'd have bit us or not. He seemed a little aggressive.
He did seem aggressive. I don't know. They said he was just loud, but I don't know.
He lunged at us. That's not just loud.
Nope.
And they thought it was funny. Bunch of guys.
Not cool.
Yeah, not cool. Just because you think your dog is friendly, put him on a leash.
There's our rant.
Your PSA for the day. We're serious though, please.